Dear kids, learn use of these and those. These is used when many things are near to us. See example, the many balls are very near to jumping kid. Those is used when many things are far from us. See example, many kites is far from jumping kid. Exercise. These are yummy fruits. The yummy fruits are very near. So we used these. Those are big kites. The kites is far from us. So we use in this sentence those. These are oranges. Those are hands. Hope you like this video. Thank you.